Hello, this is Half Decent Airsofter here with an unboxing video for you guys today. And I already unboxed one, which was the OD Tactical vest. It's a little messed up, but got this in the airsoft giveaway. Nice little mag pouches. Sniper giveaway for those of you who have been to Airsoft GI's site lately. And this is my first, I believe, Airsoft GI tap night. Too cheap to be true mystery box. And, okay. Looks like we got the Mossberg 500 grip model shotgun. So, not exactly what I wanted, but still a gun. Who cares? Okay. Next box. Oh, that hurt. Now I think this might be the gun I ordered and the BBs I ordered, but I don't know. It is pretty heavy. And yep, it is the gun I ordered. Comes with your pamphlets. Order. Okay. Yep. All my ordering stuff. Now, cost. So right here we have my bag of 5,000 Elite Force 20 gram BBs. And then right here, hang on, I'll figure how to, oh, okay, there we go. I have my sweet looking tan, I believe this NC Star reflex optic with the cantilever mode. And it has a red dot, green and blue. So here's that nice little flips. It's pretty decent. And then does that. Okay, that's your adjusters. And I'm guessing this is how you switch the. There's blue. Okay, that's sweet. I did order this. Okay, place that right there. And then for the gun I got. UAR, promise not an option, as you see right there, and it's open, so I can show you guys. Okay, this is a bullpup style gun, kind of weird packaging. With the normal and jamming rod, and here's the gun itself. No iron sights, that's why I got the sight with it. A little beat up, but I'm okay with that. Now, sweet walk back motion. And there's that. It is ambidextrous in all ways. And then let's see what else. Little. Let me put that down so we can actually see. Here, I believe, is the mags. Yep. Here's your spring, 410 spring, 410 FPS spring comes with. And here's the mag. And I believe it should come with 2 mags. And yep. Here's the other mag. All high cap mags. Little bag of BBs. And a couple of them spilled, but that's okay. So, it says FPS with 20 gram BBs 346. So, and then here's your manual. Heard that this is a very good manual, well written. And that's it for that. Okay. Let's get this stuff out of the way. And that right there. That right there. Use that stuff. Okay. So next box. This is the other mystery mystery box. Now, I did get all this stuff because I ordered the Airsoft GI Patch mystery box. And it just so happens that I got the $325 gift card. So, that was pretty cool of Airsoft GI. I'd like to thank them. Okay, so in this, either the vest, which I believe is, or it's, oh, whoa, oh, sweet. So I didn't not get the vest, but I got the Smith Optics, which are pretty, the Boogie regular goggles, Regulator series. These come in pretty sweet little packaging, and then here they are. Pretty sweet looking, and I believe this was up in the higher near the guns, so that's pretty cool. And I'd like to give a shout out to Airsoft Tech 23. He's a pretty awesome YouTuber. Does reviews and all that. So go follow him, and follow me while you're at it. So this is what I got with the $325 gift card to Airsoft GI. Is that it? Yep. So this is everything I got. So yeah, thanks for watching. Go subscribe.